What the hell?
Good. All right, so tell us what we're working on today, man.
Back is the biggest. So landed on my spine, college football, went up for an interception, landed on the spine, then two kids crunched it, and that's where I got some fractures, bulging. Then fast forward 2014, got hit by a car on my motorcycle, almost died.
Jesus.
Yeah, that happened, had no helmet on, had a concussion, fractured L3, L4, and then hip, shoulder. I turned pro in 2018. And I remember on stage in Miami at the national show, Mr. Universe, the pain was going down my leg, wrapping into here, and in my pose I had to put my thumb into that like gluteal medial nerve and try to push and block the pain. I remember getting off stage after finals and I just face planted and just fell on the ground. That Monday I went to the doctor and he's like, you need surgery, like yesterday.
So right there?
Yeah.
Is that tender?
Yeah, always.
Let's raise this leg up as high as you can. Okay, now let's do the other side. Okay. Okay. Okay, try it again.
Which side?
Left side.
That's weird. How does that work?
A lot of experience.
Ooh. Oh my God. Oh, give me a minute. Breathe through the pain.
I'm trying. Oh, you mean you? I want you to pull that hand straight down towards the ground. Straight down, straight down. Keep going down, keep going down. Reach, pull your lat. There we go. Keep going, keep going, keep going. A little more. Good. Check something here.
Oh, what the hell? It's even with the right, no?
Yeah. Let's try to raise it again.
There's nothing like stopping the range of motion now. Oh! Why?
Shut arm up. Okay.
Oh my God.
There's a troublemaker. Keep pulling back hard. Keep pulling back hard. Good. Okay. Keep pulling back. Pulling. Good. That's not tight. It's tight anymore.
No.
Feel that?
Yeah, because you couldn't even touch it with that.
Yeah.
It's the smoothest it's been. Symmetrical?
Yeah.
Feels good.
Yep. All right, so we just got done. Probably had some similar body work before, maybe not quite to this extent.
A little bit.
Okay.
Nothing at this level.